If you are not getting clients as a freelancer or as a graphic designer, this is the complete roadmap for you guys, how you can get the first freelance client as a graphic designer, how you can make money from that same client, and so on. I'll be talking about much more things in this very video, so stick to the very end and subscribe for more such videos coming in the future if you haven't yet. And let us get into this video and talk about how you can get your first freelance client as a graphic designer. So the first step would be to learn the skill. Now, most of the people have called themselves as graphic designer, but they are not. In reality, they just know about how to edit in PixArt and Photoshop and many more things. Not Photoshop, but just PixArt. And because of that, they call themselves as graphic designer. But to be honest, that is not the minimum skill required for a graphic designer. You have to be learning about different things in which you want to target, and just learn the things in the first step only. The second step would be to niche down to a category, specific category. Now most of the people, just as a general graphic designer, they take the work whatever they want, or they take the work whatever they get. But that is not the reality, guys. In reality, you have to niche down clearly. Niche down means you have to choose a specific field of graphic designing which you are going to become expert, and in which you are going to just get the clients in the future. So first of all, people choose a thumbnail designer, or post designer, social media post designer, or thirdly storage designer, or many more things like ads, banners, and there are much more things, flyers, business cards, and many more things. So people choose a niche, and that is what you have to do. Choose a great niche that you are going to become expert in, and just target that niche. So the third step would be to build your brand. Now most of the people don't know already that, who watched my videos. I have already talked about how to build your brand in my previous videos. You can check that out. Here is an I button and also in description. But what happens by building the brand? You are becoming like, you are showcasing your knowledge, you are showcasing your skills on social media, and just because of that, many people feel that this person is a trustworthy person to give the work. Because in online world, no one is even giving a shit to a person who is just unknown, who is just not connected with you, who will give you the work if they don't know who you are and how is your work. So because of that, building a brand really helps out in such conditions where people can build your trust on you, and they will get to know about what your work is, how you do that, and your much more skills about in that field. So building a brand for graphic designer would be specifically for just Instagram only, and through Instagram you can literally post each and every day specific posts, make a schedule of that, and get started and just build your brand. Follow updates and literally follow the trends in that Instagram, and build a brand on Instagram only. So now guys, the fourth step would be to find opportunities, real opportunities. But where you can find that? You can find that on LinkedIn, AngelList, Instagram itself, or many other platforms by directly DMing to the companies. Now there was a secret method by which you can get a freelance client, that is in I button and in description. You can check that out. That video is really helpful for you guys. In that video I talked about a secret method by which you can get the client very easily. But is as a freelancer, as a graphic designer, you can get freelance clients through LinkedIn. Most importantly, that is LinkedIn is very important for you guys. Then AngelList is also important, and many more things like smaller platforms. Even you can use the freelance platforms, but I don't care about that platforms anymore. But still you can choose these platforms, as I told you guys, to get your clients. So also because you have brand, people can get much more aware about you, and they will build the trust on you. And there is a great chance that you can get the opportunity from LinkedIn or AngelList, whatever so that platform is. So guys, at the last I would just say that first you have to learn a skill. That is very important. Most of the people skip that part. They just want to earn money, so that they skip this part of learning the skill itself. Niche down to specific category. Thirdly, build a brand. Fourth, find opportunities on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and many more things. So the fifth would be, just because of this original brand that you have built, you can get the opportunity, and that is a great chance you can get the opportunity. So guys, this was it for today's video. Do watch the two videos I have mentioned in this video: how to build a brand on Instagram, and secondly, the secret method by which you can get the client on as a freelancer, as a complete beginner also. Do check these videos, link is in description and in I button. And this was it for today's video, guys. If you learned something valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. And now I will see you in the next one. Then take care.